In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export passwords in Google Chrome. This is a handy skill to ensure your passwords are safely backed up or transferred to another system. To start, open your Google Chrome browser and head straight to the settings. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option that says Autofill. You'll find the Passwords section under Autofill. Click on that. Now, you should see an option for the Google Password Manager. This is where all the magic happens. Google Password Manager is like your vault for passwords, where you can manage everything related to your credentials safely. Once you're there, glance to the left-hand side menu. Here you'll see a settings option. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to know your way around these menus, so take a second to familiarize yourself. Now, let's focus on exporting your passwords. Within the settings options, you'll find a section called Export Passwords. This is the key to backing up your saved passwords in a handy file. You'll see a button there that says Download File. Clicking on this prompts Chrome to prepare your passwords for download. It might ask you for your computer's password to authenticate, which is just an added layer of security to ensure only you have access to your password list. Please remember, the file containing your passwords will be saved as a CSV file. This file can be opened with any spreadsheet software, but it's crucial to keep this file private and secure, as it contains sensitive information. With that done, if you're looking to import passwords back into Chrome, perhaps from another browser or a CSV file, the process is also straightforward. At the top of the Google Password Manager, you'll notice an option to import passwords. Clicking on this will allow you to choose the file you'd like to import. Make sure this file is correctly formatted and securely stored before you upload it, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can securely export and import your passwords using Google Chrome, ensuring you have them backed up or ready to be moved to another system. With these abilities at your fingertips, managing your online security just got a little easier. Keep this method in mind whenever you're setting up a new device or simply want to keep a backup of your important credentials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice safe browsing.